Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to invite Discord bot to server. So guys, at first go to your browser. Now tap on the search bar and search explore millions of Discord bots and servers. Now tap on the first option. And guys, this server is very popular. Here you can get a lots of free bots and servers. So now you have to select any server that you want. So I am selecting this one. So now just tap on invite. Now select here your server name and then tap on continue. Tap on authorize and then just turn on the option. And guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.